Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm introducing you to the Smighty wallet or the Smighty purse, depending what you use it for. Let me show you some of the features of this wallet. So this wallet is great for accenting a really fun and unique turn lock or flip lock. You can see here I've used this wasp lock here with this really pretty fabric. On the inside you have a slip pocket, 4 card slots, another slip pocket, and then of course this zipper pocket in the front. This would be great if you didn't want to carry a full purse and you just wanted to add a few things to carry on the go, quick and easy. It would be great as a smaller wallet. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. This one here can only be made in cottons, just because the seams and everything gets so thick that I don't know if I would want to make it in faux leathers, but this is a great way to make something that will match the linings of any purse that you may order. Yeah, it's really great. Anyways, if you would like to order one of these in your choice of fabrics and hardware, etc., you know what to do. All that information is down below, and if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Bye.